I'm sorry, what did you say?
Could you please make me some toast?
Sure. How many pieces do you want?
One, please.
Just one? And what do you want on it?
I think jelly.
What kind of jelly?
Do we have blueberry?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Do you want tea with it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, coming right up.
Thanks.
Okay. Toast. First bread. Get that bread. 3 minutes. There we go. Oh, the bread's going. Close this out. I'll get the plate. And let me get the jelly. There's blueberry. And tea. Heat up some water. Two minutes is going to give me hot water on this one. And we'll get the tea bag. Okay, let that tea steep a bit. Okay, toast is done. Let's take that out. Put on the jelly. Honey, your toast and tea are ready.
This looks great, Mark. Thank you.
No,